first make a general non-fintech related comment on this, which is to say, I am really excited about Europe, right? And obviously that is why I got up and I moved to Europe from the US to join Balderton. And the reason why I'm generally excited about Europe is because I think that there is like a barbell of capital here. So there's a ton of early stage capital and there's a ton of late stage capital, but there isn't capital that generally bridges that. And so there has been historically a need for companies to leave Europe in order to continue to grow. And that is obviously disappointing for the European ecosystem, but also presents a huge opportunity, which is if you can be that trusted confidant of companies as they grow and be physically present to them, it's going to make a really big difference for them. Why do I mention this as a preamble? Because there are certain trends in fintech that I think are like extremely unique to Europe and should actually be addressed from here. And in some respect, like re-domiciling them to the US diminishes the insight that the companies continue to have on those problems. This is the largest reinsurance market. It's the largest insurance market in the world. And, a couple of key players located in, let's say, Switzerland, Munich, and London, cover the vast majority of the market. And yet, pretty consistently, the view is that the market really hasn't evolved. Whether it's from the front end, there hasn't been like the Lemonade or Policy Genius evolution here, really, or from the back end, meaning there hasn't been something like what Uncork is doing. However, there's a lot of room for that, and I think we're well on our way. So we recently announced at Balderton the most recent financing round of one of our early stage companies called Zego. And Zego is an auto insurer for commercial auto based out of London. Very excited to have them be the newest unicorn in the Balderton portfolio. And they are a window into what can happen in the largest insurance and reinsurance market in the world.